Elimination of bed ulcers by advanced smart hospital bed, team number 6. Agenda: introduction, progress report, MBTI summary, summary of communication, project team documents, which include the charter, the contract, the WBS, the preliminary scope statement, draft schedule, and finally the conclusion. Meet team number 6. Neemer, Chris, Maisie, Danielle, and Paula. The importance of eliminating bed ulcers: reduce costs, reduce risk, and elevate the standard of care. Real-time monitoring of patients, reports of patients' movements and patterns, interfaces with the facility EMR, embedded control functions, and the beds are functional and aesthetic. Progress report, October 18th, 2021, for reporting period September 30th to October 21st. Work completed this reporting period: the statement of scope, project deliverables, case studies. Work to complete next reporting period: Gantt chart, probability impact matrix, and summary of deliverables. What's going well and why? Team collaboration and the project schedule. What's not going well and why? Scheduling conflicts among team members. Early on, there was confusion with the objective of the project. Suggestions, issues. Video conference meetings weekly. Leverage each team member's strengths. Continue to improve on timely communication. Brainstorming sessions. Project changes. Meet more frequently. Stay within the project scope, and clearly define responsibilities.
MBTI summary. Each team member was able to take the MBTI assessment and shared their results. Our team consists of 2 ENFJs, 1 INFJ, 1 INTJ, and 1 ESFJ. Some highlight traits and skills that our team members have are strong interpersonal skills, collaborate and communicate effectively, bring confidence and assurance. They are motivational leaders, work well with others, thoughtfulness, and attention to detail. Summary of communication. We had multiple meetings during this phase of the project, and we shared some of the meeting minutes here. Project team documents for this reporting period with their completion dates. The project charter. The team's research and information gathering will provide the support to justify the need to this technology to be introduced to the healthcare industry. The project will be considered successful if all of the necessary research of the pressure ulcer cause treatment and prevention is completed and presented effectively to support the importance of the hospital bed design. The project completion on schedule of December 2nd to 2021. Team members with high morale and satisfaction. Project charter continued. Our approach: all work to be completed by the project team. Project work is primarily research. Each project team member will be assigned a subject to research. What are pressure ulcers, causes and treatments, FDA recommendations, pressure ulcers in COVID patients, effectiveness of the new hospital beds in prevention, and the project team will collaborate to bring research together for the final presentation, which will provide ample supporting evidence for the need for the new hospital bed design.
The team contract, the code of conduct. As a project team, we will respect and be open to all team members' opinions, allow all team members to participate in discussions, create a supportive and safe environment where everyone feels comfortable. Participation, we will attempt to make virtual meetings, actively participate in group discussions by giving constructive feedback, work both in a group setting and individually on tasks that are assigned to us. Communication, we will use honest and open dialogue, express problems, concerns ASAP, meet once a week via Zoom. problem solving, we will give adequate thought and time to each problem, come up with multiple solutions and agree on the best one to implement, use our own personal experiences to come up with unique perspectives when coming up with solutions to a problem. Meeting guidelines allow each member a chance to participate, stay on a specific topic until we all agree to move on to the next topic, address talking points at the start of the meeting to keep it structured. The work breakdown structure, or WBS, the main categories are the background for ulcers. Number 2, what are the causes for bed ulcers? 3, current treatments. 4, excess costs associated with bed ulcers. The bed design, hospital bed, new design implementation, and staff training. And lastly, project awards and self-satisfactions. The preliminary scope statement. The project justification: pressure ulcers remain a major threat problem affecting approximately 3 million hospitalized adults each year. Elimination of pressure ulcers by implementing advanced smart hospital beds in hospital/rehabilitation would drastically decrease the length of stay, risk of secondary infections, litigation, and average cost of stay for patients at high risk. Product characteristics and requirements: identifying body high pressure areas at different positions in the hospital bed, pressure distribution matrices generated by intelligent electromechanical sensors using AI/intelligent programs to eliminate automatically body high pressure points, technology assisted healthcare environments. Customizable solutions can be universally applied at different hospitals, nursing homes, and others for different patients. Implementation of mechatronics in aging hospital infrastructure. Product user acceptance criteria: a full acceptable hospital bed demo at delivered location, a full successful staff training at delivered location, a completed test time, and a successful approval of product and its results, guaranteed full technical service and support, and final signed contract. Product management related deliverables: business case, charter, team contract, scope statement, WBS, schedule, cost baseline, status reports, final project presentation, final project report, lessons learned report, and any other documents required to manage the project. Product related deliverables, research reports, design documents, software code, hardware, conveying to health sector the necessity for such a needed product, communicating to the health sector the justification of such required product, installation of advanced smart hospital beds, intelligent PLC program as controllers to run these advanced smart hospital beds, train staff to a high level of competency, finalize staff and supplier review, and justified expense report.
The draft and schedule, this is the Gantt chart with the timelines. We did initiate the project and we did put the monitoring areas to monitor on this project and to see our progress through progress report number 1 and through progress report number 2. I did, as a project manager, the team did send me their personalities test, and we did try to match the tasks to the best skill and to the best personalities. This is will be the closing of the project, and we did put a final closing, and we did put an end statement or an end task where we will have a gathering to celebrate the completion of that project. And so far we are on time and on target with this project to complete it by the end of the semester. The same thing, this is more tasks for the progress report, progress report number 1 and progress report number 2. The conclusion, the overall work that we are working on time, we are working together. The tasks are flowing fine, one behind each other. Even the parallel tasks, we are running in parallel with the right times, and we are trying to communicate and improve our communication with each other. We are trying to meet more, and our meeting seems to be more effective in the past 3-4 weeks. The next step, we'll continue to update the team project with the documents that is necessarily, which we really did on so far for this session. We complete and publish the Gantt chart, which we already did, and we updated the timing on it. Complete and publish the probability and the impact matrix. Chris did a great job in doing that. Complete and publish the summary of deliverables, which we did that, and it looks like we'll be able to achieve the deliverables that we listed, even with some high-risk deliverables. We'll try to put them to complete them before this course ends. All work leading to final project. If you have any questions on this project, please feel free to contact me or contact any members of the team, and we'll be glad to answer your questions and comment on your comments. And thank you very much.